to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail on your Chrome. Log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, simply scroll down and you will find Settings. Click on Settings at the top. In Settings, scroll down and click on Go to Basic Mail. Select the reason, then press on Go to Basic Mail, and it will be changed into Classic View in this way. You can change back to the recent version by going to the same settings as well. And this is how to change Yahoo Mail back to Classic View. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.